Hello my lovelies, welcome back to 5 Minutes Eye. You know, I do these now and again when I fancy to play with eyeshadow palettes, and I do 5 minutes look. Yes, those looks can be done in 5 minutes. Obviously the video is longer because I like talking, so I talk through it. And today I thought I will use the Natasha Denona Bloom Palette. This is my least favorite palette from Natasha Denona. So I hardly use it. I maybe used it twice, 3 times since I got it. So I thought I will pull it out and see if I can like it. So here, for example, are the shimmers. And as you can see, the light ones, I really like this one, which is Flare. These ones are hardly showing up. And then these all look, this one is too pink. These are, I don't know, I just don't think they are flattering on my skin tone and my eye color. I think this palette probably would look lovely on someone with a darker skin. Also, you have here Robin and Ren. These two mattes, which are almost identical, and the rest are quite deep. So I find it, you know, usually I open the palette and I look at it and I can already see few looks I can do with it. This one, I really struggle. On a Refa 01, I'm going to go into, I will go to Floss, and let's start with this one. So as usual, I apply it on an outer V. Can you see it's quite pink, and I feel like it makes the whites of my eyes look red. Then I'm going to go into Clover and shade that outer 7 a bit more, and then blend it upwards. That has deepened the look a bit. Then with Refa 02, I'm going to go into Flare. This is probably my favorite shadow in here, but I am not sure. This shadow doesn't have that pigmentation that I like, that proper shimmer. So I am going to wet my brush. I'm using for this the Delilah Wake Up Hydrating Skin Spray, and see, look at the difference. So you definitely need to wet the eyeshadow to get nice shimmer, unless you are not into shimmer and you quite like that muted shimmer. Say this is like a pinky peachy color. Now this palette has Equinox, this duochrome, quadruple chrome, but even that, look at it, that hardly shows. It just gives you a bit of a wet look. So I also think that these shimmers are not as good as Natasha can do them. This one is really good. This is the Lush. So maybe I put that in the middle of my eyelid with my fingers. Then with another Refa 01, I'm going to go into Bark. This is a dark brown. I just want to really get rid of that pink, and that's the problem. This is Refa 15 to blend it out. BK Beauty 210, and I'm going to go to Floss to apply it on my lower lash line, and that's where I worry that my eyes might start looking bloodshot with this color. And that would be it for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do the mascara. And that is the finished look. What do you think? This is probably my favorite look from that palette. But I can't really see doing any other look with it. So to me, this is just one look palette, even though it's such a big palette. So let me know if you've got it, if you like it, which is fine. These are just not my colors, and I find the shimmers in it a bit disappointing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.